Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on a product that every dog owner should consider: a waterproof dog backseat cover that doubles as a non-slip pet protector. We stumbled upon this cover while browsing online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The waterproof dog backseat cover is designed specifically for pet owners who want to protect their car's interior while ensuring their furry companions have a comfortable ride. This cover is universal in size, which means it fits most vehicles, including sedans, trucks, and SUVs. It provides a cozy environment for your pet, making it ideal for everyday use, especially after your dog has been out for a fun day at the park or after an exercise session. One of the standout features of this backseat cover is its waterproof and scratch-resistant material. We all know how messy pets can be, whether it's drool, mud, or the occasional accident. The last thing you want is for those liquids to seep into your car seats. Thankfully, this cover is made from upgraded fabric that is coated with a waterproof layer, ensuring that any spills are contained and won't damage the upholstery beneath. Additionally, it protects your car's interior from scratches that can occur when your dog jumps in or out of the vehicle. It's not just for dogs, either. This cover can help prevent damage from baby car seats, too. Durability is key when it comes to pet accessories, and this cover does not disappoint. Crafted from high-quality materials, the backseat cover is designed to withstand wear and tear, making it a long-lasting investment. It features an anti-slip backing and seat anchors, which keep the cover securely in place. No one wants to deal with a sliding cover, especially during sudden stops or if your pet is a little more rambunctious than usual. This non-slip feature ensures that the cover stays put, providing peace of mind while driving. Installation and cleaning are also incredibly straightforward, which is a huge plus for busy pet owners. You can set this cover up in just a few seconds. Simply insert the seat retainers into your vehicle's seat, tie the strap to the headrest, and secure the side elastic bands. When it comes time to clean, you won't have to worry. A quick wipe with a damp cloth or a pass with a vacuum will keep it looking fresh. If it gets particularly dirty, you can even use a shower to rinse it down. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a dog owner who frequently travels with your pet, this backseat cover is a must-have. It's also practical for parents with young children who may use car seats or booster seats, as it provides an extra layer of protection against wear and tear. Anyone who enjoys outdoor activities with their pets or just wants to keep their vehicle clean will find this cover incredibly beneficial. In practical use cases, imagine taking your dog on a weekend camping trip or a visit to the beach. The last thing you want is to spend your time cleaning up after your furry friend when you get back home. With this cover, you can simply remove the hair and dirt from the surface, keeping your car's interior looking great. Plus, it gives your pet a dedicated space to relax during the drive, which can help reduce anxiety for some dogs. In conclusion, the waterproof dog backseat cover is an excellent solution for pet owners who want to keep their car clean and their pets comfortable. Its universal fit, waterproof materials, and easy installation make it a practical choice for anyone who loves to travel with their furry companions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.